Again, in the last video, I've shown you how to publish your website in GitHub. In this video, I'm going to show you an example on how to create HTML tables. HTML tables are very important because they're used to display various kinds of data. Like in your exercise, you are supposed to create a payroll application in which you are going to display the result using a payroll table. Now, in my example, I have also used a shopping cart to illustrate the use of a table to list down the contents of the shopping cart. Now, tables are created in HTML using the table tag. So I have here an example of a HTML document which I will use to uh, store the table and display it in Google in a browser. I have opened the table in two applications. First is the Notepad, and the second uh, is the browser, which is Google Chrome. I'm going to edit the table uh, using Notepad and view it using Google Chrome. So anyway, tables are created in, uh, in HTML using the table tag. I already have it ready here. No? So let's just type it anyway. No? So we'll just create the table tag. Okay, and usually we'll have a border. Okay, the border is designated by a number. The bigger the number, the thicker the border. Okay. So let's save this and try to refresh. The table doesn't appear yet. Is it there? No. So before that, let us style our table. We want it to be centered. So we can head over to our style tag and then style the table using margin left and margin right. I already have it here, so let me just copy it. So when you set the margin left and the margin right to auto, that automatically adjusts the left and the right margin so that the table is centered. Now, the table usually has three main components: the header, the body, and the footer. Okay, let us try to put the header first. Okay, so under the table tag, we'll type uh, the heading tag. I already have it here, so I'll just copy it anyway. Okay, and of course, we'll also end it with an end table tag. Okay, so a table can have several rows. To indicate a row, we just have to use the uh, ER tag. Okay? And a row can be made up of several columns. A column is indicated using the TD tag. No? So remember, no, T head is for the header tag. T head is the header tag. ER is the row tag, and TD is the column tag. Sometimes TD is used to designate table data. Let us save this and try to refresh. Now we have our table. Okay, we have a heading. Before putting in the uh, body of the table, let us put the footer. Like the header, the footer is indicated using the tfoot tag. The difference between the header and the footer is the header is displayed at the top of the table, okay, and the footer is displayed at the bottom of the table. Okay, so I have already have it ready here. We started with the tfoot and ended, of course, with the tfoot also. I've missed it out. Let me put the tfoot. Okay. And like the header, we have one row. We can have several rows in a footer. We started it with a TR and several TDs to correspond to the different columns in our header. Let us refresh this. So we have this uh, uh, footer. Now let me add one row. Okay. So to do that, first we have to create a table, or rather a body. And the body is indicated using the tag tbody. Of course, we'll have to end it with a tbody tag. Okay, so that's the header, the body, and the footer. So to add one row to the body, we also have to make use of one tr tag, okay, where we will have several columns. Let us save this, refresh. So we now have John Smith. Okay, we can add more rows using more TRs in the body. So a TR can be in the header, it can be in the body, and it can also be in a, okay. Okay, so this is now the different rows in my payroll table. You can still do certain styling on this, like alignments, no, of numbers, so on and so forth, and include this in your project. In the next video, I'm going to show you an example on how to use modals in place of JavaScript alerts, prompts, and tags. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.